half of Scotland today, but elsewhere reasonable sunshine, though it was disappointingly cloudy at Edgbaston for most of the match. But as you can see, plenty of evening sunshine still coming up. But things are about to change. We're going to find that the ridge of high pressure responsible for today's fine weather disappears pretty quickly, and then lots of isobars piling in across the British Isles during the next 36 hours. So we'll find it turning much more unsettled. Pretty windy too for all of us as the week goes along, with spells of rain, chiefly for central and northern parts, but not necessarily all the time. That's how things are looking at the moment then. Some evening sunshine to come, still some pockets of drizzle way up in the far north of Scotland, and then later on tonight we'll find the wind freshening and outbreaks of rain returning to northwest Ireland and into the outer Hebrides of Scotland as well. A different story further south and east though. We're going to find clearer skies here. It will turn pretty chilly overnight, in fact low enough, would you believe, for a touch of ground frost perhaps up in the upland valleys of Wales and the dry parts of the Midlands. Temperatures down to 5 to 7 degrees briefly around dawn. It may turn a bit misty as well, but really of no great consequence. That should clear away pretty rapidly. And then tomorrow we'll see this band of cloud and outbreaks of rain spilling eastwards, but at the same time fizzling out as it comes across northern parts of Britain. So a fair amount of fine bright weather to come tomorrow, particularly across England and Wales. Here a good deal of sunshine through the morning, some brightness on the eastern side of Scotland for a time too, but patchy rain and drizzle spreading eastwards through the day, a little bit turning up in Cumbria, perhaps North Wales late afternoon or early evening, but it will tend to brighten up again through the second part of the day across Northern Ireland and maybe into western Scotland too, but only temporarily. Some heavy showers returning and some more wet weather turning up there during Wednesday evening and night. Well, a pretty warm day. All in all, we're going to see 21 to 24 across much of southern Britain. That's up to the mid-70s Fahrenheit. And again, the winds are going to be quite light in the south. Fresher winds further north, though. I think quite strong winds at times. 17 or 18 degrees in Belfast, about 19 across into Dundee through the afternoon. But you can see plenty of isobars on the chart as we go through to the rest of the week. It really is turning much more unsettled by that time, and there'll be some spells of rain to come as well. A band of cloud moving away southwards first thing on Thursday, brighter weather following. Some fairly persistent rain though again for Scotland into Northern Ireland, and then pretty wet and windy for many of us, I fancy, on Friday. Bye-bye.